we have seen an acceleration of digital behavior, acceleration of digital sharing that plays a very specific role. And when it comes to digital environment, this conversation included, we've got to think that it's not like the physical environment where we don't have a choice. You know, you exist in a body as I do. That body has to live in a house, and the house is adjacent to some other houses. And this is your community and your neighborhood, right? But on a digital domain, we are here by design. So whether you are actually aware of it or not, you have a specific agenda and you have a specific purpose, and you're expressing this purpose through your actions, your digital actions. So this is a more conscious field of behavior. And as such, we owe it to ourselves to also be more conscious in our behavior when it comes to this. We need to be more nuanced. We need to be more more tolerant, because we don't know the context of everybody. We live in sometimes in a context-free world, or sometimes in a world where this real context collapse. And context collapse means that, you know, the stage where you talk to your buddies is also visible to your fans, also visible perhaps to your mother. And these things in the past were all compartmentalized, right? You talk to your buddies at the pub, and you talk to your fans in a stage setting, and you talk to your mother at home. And now you go on Facebook, for instance, and they're all there at the same instant. So that's context collapse, and that creates problems, because now you say, okay, who am I going to be? Am I going to be the pub version of me, who is kind of relaxed and jokey? Am I going to be the stage version of me, who is authoritative and kind of, you know, straight down the line? Or am I going to be the person at home who says yes to my mom to everything? So, you know, these are the things which we need to work out in a nuanced environment like now. And that comes from thinking, okay? And certainly it is within our grasp. That's my point.